Hey, welcome to this class. As we all know, learning any new skill can be challenging, and JavaScript is no exception. JavaScript has such a wide range of features and things it can be used for, and this can often leave beginners in a difficult situation, wondering where to even begin. So this is why I have created this class. Working from the very beginning, I will show you what JavaScript is, what it can do, and why we even use it at all. This class covers everything you need to know to become a competent JavaScript developer. If you've not taken one of my classes before, my name is Chris and I've been building websites for over 20 years, and I've also been teaching these skills for over 7 years in both video classes alongside leading web development bootcamps too. This class covers many JavaScript subjects, covering all of the basics including arrays, functions, objects, events and the DOM, web APIs, including loops and conditional statements, a deep looker objects, math, date and timers, and all of the details which you need to know in between. All of these topics are covered in a clear and structured way, all while building practical projects as we go, including real-world example use cases and also some mini challenges too. One of the projects which you build will be a fully working video player along with custom controls, and also a fun shape drop game too, using the drag and drop API, along with building a pizza chef game to combine many parts of what you've learned. This project will be reasonably big, but we will break it down so we can see how all of the parts fit together. Later on we will discover some of the trickier parts such as async JavaScript, scope, hoisting and closures, before finishing off with two more final projects. We build a small application called Leaving So Soon, which is an exit intent pop-up which is used to entice visitors with an offer when they try to leave your site, before completing the class with a fully functioning JavaScript image carousel. It includes a project folder which we will add to as we progress throughout this class, and it will also double up as a useful reference in the future too. So thank you for your interest in this class, and I'll see you in the first lesson.